Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Udemy free courses and 85% offer courses in their website and the login page. You are going to watch up to 8 to 9 pages. So I am going to explain everything which is free and which is all 85% offer. So watch the video till end. It will be helpful for you. If you complete this course, you may get a certificate and it will be valid till end in your career, and you can upload it in your resume. And the first one will be Tally ERP, get step-by-step guidance from basic to advanced. They are mentioning here everything, and required Tally candidate who are going for CA, everything they can mention here about the clear view of explanation they are providing. It is for fully free, and you can watch here this also. And next one will be crypto and Bitcoin for beginners in plain English. So those who want to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, they can watch this video. Their offer will be $639 at 1 day left. 8.5 hours they are providing, 2 download resource and 5 articles. You can start to watch it and invest here. And next one will be diet and nutrition weight loss tip for good healthy life. For fat people, they can reduce their weight if you watch their nutrition videos. Backbone of JS tutorial for beginners up to $639 only. And dieting nutrition, we already seen it. Complete Italian for beginners, English to Italian pro language speaking video. 3D architecture with Maya and the 3D Max, they are also providing to 13 hours. Kotlin Android and mastering Android from app development, they are mentioning 31 hours demand videos. You can watch this also. Amazon Web Series AWS certification helpful for you. 8.5 years will be 1 day left, 85% offer. Certified Learn Six Sigma Yellow Belt exam preparation. Practical Next.js React build a real web app with Next.js. Android app we are seen already. That is also seen. Yes, app mobile testing complete guidance they are mentioned here, and 3D architecture 3 These are all their offers which are helpful for you. So watch the video till end and visit this page also. It will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt while buying the card or you want to create an account, just comment me in the comment section. I will help you. So start by yourself guys. Thanks for watching this channel.